Okay, so another assembly lesson, basics. Once you have the base body part with all the connectors in it, you can start inserting other components. So I am going to coincident mate this male-female subassembly by clicking on that. So that's a coincident mate. Now we click check, concentric, this circle, and this circle, goes in, check. Let's insert the front part, and we'll insert front part of the car, front here, open, and roughly put it there. Move it just a little bit, making sure that it's lined up roughly on all axes, pretty close. Now we'll click mate, and let's just do a simple coincident mate for this surface to this surface. I didn't complete it. Let's try it again. This surface. Let's try it again. Mate, coincidence, this surface, that surface. There we go. Now it looks perfect, but it's not fully constrained because the sides, you can move it. So you can see that it's there. It's right in the plane, but it's not in the locked in. So click mate again, click coincident, and pick this edge right here. Say this space right here, and this space right here, and that will lock it in place there. And now we've got to lock the top or the bottom in place, and we'll do that by clicking on this edge right here and this edge right here. Okay, didn't work. Let's try it again. Mate. Coincident. This. We just do faces, and there we go. Something is a little awry here. I don't think that first mate took. Okay, so click check, and then we'll also ask this space to be coincident with this space. There we go. Fully constrained. There we go. So now we're ready for one more. We can do the back. We'll insert the back component of the car, and that is go back, open, just like that, and make sure it's lined up. It's really close. Mate, coincident, this space, this space, good, check, coincident, this space, this space, check, and coincident, this top face, this space, check, and we're all good. Alright, the next lesson I'll do is inserting the sub-assemblies and the cab. Thank you for watching.